Imagine a microscopic world, where bacteria are constantly evolving, adapting to their surroundings at an astonishing rate. These tiny organisms are fighting for survival, and sometimes, they develop incredible abilities that seem almost like science fiction. One of these abilities is antibiotic resistance, turning ordinary bacteria into superbugs, capable of withstanding our strongest medicines. Superbugs are like the superheroes of the bacterial world, but instead of saving lives, they pose a significant threat. They've developed resistance to the medicines we use to fight them, making them much harder to defeat and control. This means infections that were once easily treatable can now pose serious health risks, leading to longer illnesses and more complicated treatments. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to fight a dragon with a sword that can't harm it. The dragon remains unscathed, and the battle seems impossible to win. That's what it's like trying to treat a superbug infection with antibiotics that no longer work. The frustration and danger are very real. It's a challenge that doctors and scientists are working hard to overcome, dedicating countless hours to research and innovation. You might be wondering how bacteria become resistant to antibiotics in the first place. It's a fascinating yet concerning process that has significant implications for our health. Well, it's a bit like survival of the fittest. Just as animals evolved to adapt to their environments, bacteria evolved to survive in the presence of antibiotics. When we use antibiotics, we kill off the weaker bacteria, but the strongest ones survive. These resilient bacteria are the ones that can withstand the antibiotic treatment. These survivors can then pass on their resistance genes to their offspring, creating a new generation of superbugs. This process can happen very quickly, making it a serious issue. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics are major contributors to this problem. When antibiotics are used too often or incorrectly, it accelerates the development of resistance. Taking antibiotics when you don't need them, like for a viral infection, only gives bacteria more opportunities to develop resistance. This misuse can have long-term consequences. It's crucial to remember that antibiotics are powerful tools that should be used responsibly to preserve their effectiveness. By using them wisely, we can help prevent the rise of superbugs and protect public health. Superbugs pose a significant threat in healthcare settings. Hospitals, with their high concentration of sick patients and frequent use of antibiotics, can become breeding grounds for these resistant bacteria. Infections caused by superbugs are harder to treat, leading to longer hospital stays, increased healthcare costs, and even higher mortality rates. This is a global concern, and scientists and researchers are constantly working to develop new antibiotics and treatment strategies to combat these superbugs. While the threat of superbugs is real, there are steps we can all take to protect ourselves and prevent the spread of these resistant bacteria. These steps are simple yet highly effective in maintaining our health and the health of those around us. First and foremost, practice good hygiene. This includes regular hand washing, using hand sanitizer when soap and water aren't available, and covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Washing your hands frequently and thoroughly is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of infections. Make sure to scrub for at least 20 seconds, getting all parts of your hands, including under your nails. If you do get sick, talk to your doctor about the best course of treatment. It's important to follow their advice and not self-medicate. Don't demand antibiotics if they're not necessary. Overuse of antibiotics can lead to resistance, making infections harder to treat in the future. And if you are prescribed antibiotics, take them exactly as directed and finish the entire course, even if you start feeling better. This ensures that all the bacteria are killed and reduces the risk of resistance. For convenient and affordable healthcare options, consider telemedicine services like MyHomeDoc Telehealth. These services allow you to consult with healthcare professionals without leaving your home. You can consult with a healthcare professional from the comfort of your own home. Remember, knowledge is power. Staying informed about your health can make a big difference. Learn more about superbugs, antibiotic resistance, and how you can do your part to keep yourself and your community healthy. Stay updated with the latest information and share it with others. Like and subscribe for more informative content. Your engagement helps us bring you more valuable information to keep you and your loved ones healthy.